If you need to make a timetable for school in Microsoft Word, this video will show you a simple, clean, and fast way to do it. Whether you're creating a class timetable, a student schedule, or a school weekly planner, Word makes it easy to build a neat layout that you can print, edit, and reuse anytime. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful software guides. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word and start with a blank document. Once Word is open, the first thing you want to do is change the page layout so you have more space across the page. Go to the Layout tab at the top, click Orientation, and then choose Landscape. This is really important because a school timetable usually needs more horizontal room for the days of the week and the different class periods. Now that your page is in landscape mode, it's time to add a title. Click near the top of the page and type something like Class 7A Timetable, School Weekly Schedule, or whatever title fits your document. After that, highlight the title and use the Home tab to center it. You can also make it bold and increase the font size if you want it to stand out more. This gives your timetable a clean, professional look right from the start. Next, we need to insert the table that will hold all of the timetable information. Go to the Insert tab and click Table. From here, choose the number of rows and columns you need for your school schedule. For example, if you want days across the top and time periods down the side, plan your table before you insert it so you know exactly how much space you need. A simple timetable might have columns from Monday through Friday, plus one column for the time periods. Once the table's inserted, it's time to start filling in the content. In the first row, type the days of the week, such as Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. In the first column, you can type the time slots or periods, like Period 1, Period 2, break, lunch, and so on. Then begin entering the subject names into the matching boxes. For example, you could add math, English, science, history, or art, depending on the school schedule you're making. As you fill everything in, make sure the table stays easy to read. If the text looks too cramped, you can adjust the font size, make the headings bold, or resize the cells by dragging the table borders. You can also use centered alignment for the text, so everything looks balanced. If you want, you can even shade the header row or first column with a light color to help the timetable stand out more clearly. Another useful tip is to keep your timetable simple and organized. Don't overload the page with too much decoration if the main goal is readability. A good school timetable should be easy for students, teachers, or parents to scan quickly. Make sure the subject names fit neatly inside each cell and check that the spacing looks even across the entire table. If you want, you can even use the table design tools in Word to add borders, adjust line styles, or apply a subtle table color theme. That can make the document look much more professional while still staying clear and practical. You can also add extra rows for notes, homework reminders, or lunch breaks if needed. Once your timetable is finished, take a moment to review it carefully. Check the spelling of all subject names, make sure the days and periods are in the right places, and confirm that the layout looks neat when printed. If everything looks good, save your document so you can edit it later, or print copies for school use. And that's it! You've now learned how to make a school timetable in Microsoft Word. It's a simple process once you know the steps, and you can always customize it to fit your class, grade level, or schedule style. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and share it with anyone who might need a quick timetable template in Word. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.